Here are the basic ideas of the splits. First, I want to introduce to you the basic ideas of splits. Here on our wiki, you can view what is split and what is split points. For a course of the marathon event, there are different split points on the road. And these are splits. When we talk about 5 km split, that is the split end at 5 km split point. That is to say, we use the name of the split point at the end of the split. So this is 5 km split, this is 10 km split, and so on. So there will be a special split, that is a start split. The start split do not have the fixed distance, because for the runner, before the starting line, the runner may be standing maybe 10 meters before the start line or 100 meters before the start line. So the start point of the start split, that is the place where the runner stands before the start line, and the end point of the start split, that is the start line. So when we talk about split, we are not talk about split points, but every split points correspond to every split. Then we talk about timing points. Timing point is the location where the timing devices is placed. Timing point is not necessarily be a split point. In this example, we start here and the runner runs to this split point and then go to TP2 and then go back to TP1. That means this split point and this split point shares one timing point. So in this road, split points and timing points can be considered in this graph. The runner start, then move to the timing point 1 and move to timing point 2 and to timing point 1. But these three timing points correspond to different split points. And so on. If the runner goes through this cycle twice, then the split point and timing point relationship will be start timing point 1, timing point 2, timing point 1, timing point 2, timing point 1, and finish. And for the marathon example here, 5 km and 15 km shares timing point 2, and the start and finish shares the same timing point. The road or the splits and the timing point relationship can be considered in this graph. Then we talk about timing devices. Timing devices belong to timing points, and timing points belong to splits, but one timing point may belong to more than one split. This is very simple. So in this split setting, every contest has different splits. Then here we use the name and the label. In Feibot Workbench, we use label for display in charts, but if there is no label, the name will be displayed. So usually label is shorter. Here you can choose the split corresponding to different timing point, and you set the distance from the start, and you set the split limit from the start, split limit of the split, and you can set the time limit of the split. Because runners has different gun start times, and that means runners will start in waves. So in this box, you will view the actual time limits used for result calculation. This is depend on different gun start times. And you can set the split unit for different splits. And you can generate time limits automatically by the speed in meter per second. You can change the color of the split. This color corresponds to the usage of the split. And then you can change colors of the split. These colors are used in time view and other places. For example, here we can see the time view of the first or the second split is blue, and we change it to yellow. Oh, so we change it to gray. Okay, we save, and here this will be gray. So before the race, you have to set up the splits of the event. This is the most important setting for the event.